are doing a good job of prepping the site. They're about to get turf mat in. You can see this project site had been cleared and graded a while ago to prep to install all this turf mat. But that in the interim, from when the ground was graded and track walked to now, there have been some rains, they have some rills, they have some existing vegetation on this site. All of that would undermine your turf reinforcement mat project and its installation. So they're out here as they're trenching in the anchor trench, or digging out the anchor trench, I should say. They're correcting all those rills. They got all the vegetation off. Because these rills aren't going to correct themselves. They'll just get worse. Water will flow under your mat. And these guys, if you try and install a mat over, are going to push that mat up and you'll get tenting underneath the mat. So you absolutely have to grub those out. They're out here with loppers or hand tools and prepping that. You get all this vegetation out first, so it'll look more like that over there, and they'll be ready to install those turf mats. The interesting thing about revegetation projects is that a lot of times people will think existing vegetation is good. You're out here to go grow grass. Why would you remove grass? But the truth is, the strength on leaves and vegetation is right at the base, not at the top. This is very weak. If it's going to hit an obstruction like a turf mat, it's not going to punch its way through. It's just going to fold over and you'll get tenting. Won't vegetate correctly and it'll push your mat up off the surface. So you want to cut it as short as possible and grub out anything woody stemmed. Get rid of rills, prepare your soil, make sure it's not too compacted, and you'll be ready to go.